Hi, I'm Arthur, or Atto for short, and today I'm going to show you how to play Mi Favorita by Daniel Fortea. Now the piece starts with a 5-bar intro, which sounds something like this played slowly. And let's have a closer look at that. Now here I'll start on the 3rd fret with my 2nd finger. I'm going to do a glissando from the 3rd fret till the 7th fret. This is the last note of the intro. And now we go on to the B part, which starts at the 2nd ending, but I'm actually going to rewind a little bit and start on the last measure before ending number 1 to get a little context. This last chord here, before we go to the A part again, it says it's 3 notes. I play the first beat with 3 notes, P, I, M. The next chord, I don't play the whole chord, I just play the upper note with my A or ring finger. Then again the whole chord. So it's like this. And now we go back to the A part. We'll start on the 3rd fret on the 1st string, or G, with our 2nd finger. And we're going to do again a glissando from the 3rd fret till the 7th fret. And now for the happy finale, or the C part. Here we have changed the keys from E minor to E major.